Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of deactivate account on Uber app. You click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you can click on storage. After that you can click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. If you find update on the application of Uber, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.